Hello, my beautiful friend. Today we're jumping into another muscle building, cable crushing workout that's gonna set your chest and triceps and a little bit of abs on fire. If you wanna build a chest that pops and arms that rock, then stick around because I'm about to show you how to sculpt your upper body. Today's session is all about maximizing muscle growth with minimal joint stress. We're talking cable machine, time under tension, and progressive overload, the holy trinity of gains. We've got 2 circuits lined up. Each exercise is 3 sets of 12 reps per set, and we're going to increase the weight with each set if you're comfortable doing so. Let's get into it. First up, we have the mid-chest press. This little baby targets your pecs like a laser beam. Here's how to do it. Set the cables at chest height with the handles in a firm grip. Step forward to brace and balance yourself, or stand in a position that is comfortable for you. Start with your arms pulled back and parallel to the ground, and slowly extend your arms in front of you, squeezing your pecs at the top. Then, slowly return to the starting position, feeling that stretch in your chest. Make sure to keep your core tight and avoid arching your back. This isn't just about your chest, it is a full upper body stabilizer. Next, we're hitting those triceps with the reverse grip pushdown. This variation puts less stress on your elbows while maximizing tricep engagement. Let's do it. Grab the handles with your palms facing up, keep your elbows tucked to your sides, push down, fully extending your arms and feeling the work in your triceps, and then slowly return to the starting position. Remember, the magic is in the slow, controlled movement. Don't let the weight pull your arms back up. You want to be in full control. It's time for circuit number 2, and we are kicking things off with the high to low wood chops. This move not only works your chest, but engages your core, your shoulders, and your obliques. Here's the breakdown. Set the cable high with a rope attached and grab the rope with both hands. Rotate your torso as you pull down and across your body. Keep your arms nice and straight throughout the entire movement. Then slowly return to the starting position, resisting the pull. This exercise is all about rotational strength and stability. Your obliques are gonna thank you later, I promise. Last but not least, we're capping it off with the overhead tricep extension. This move isolates those triceps for maximum growth. Here's how to do it. Facing away from the cable machine, place your hands overhead and grab the rope with both hands. Keep your elbows stable and as stationary as possible. Extend your arms, focusing on squeezing your triceps at the top. Then, slowly lower back to the starting position. The key here is to keep your upper arms as still as possible. All the movement should be at the elbow joint. And that is our workout. A chest and tricep routine that'll sculpt your upper body without beating up your joints. If you enjoyed this video, and I really hope that you did, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up, you subscribe, and you click that notification bell because all of that really supports my channel and it means the world to me. I will see you next time.